If you've been watching my YouTube videos on investing, especially with Bamboo, one of the things I talk about is taking profit, right? And some of you don't seem to understand what I mean when I say you should take profit from time to time. And I want to show you how to do that real quick with a particular US stock. So let's get started. So for the sake of our time, I'm just going to go straight to the point. So this is my portfolio as of today. I'm going to click on US stocks, then I'll scroll all the way down to the stock that is in profit that I want to sell. So the stock we're looking at is SRFM, as you can see here on screen. So this soft air mobility, I basically have 126% profit in the stock. And when I say take profit from it, let me go back here again, because as you can see, my total return is 130% now. I want to take profit from it. How do I take profit from it? It's simple. I just click on sell and click on sell now, and go ahead and sell. If you want to sell when it goes up higher, you select this one. Sell, if it's above the market price. If you want to sell when it goes lower than it is, maybe you are scared that you lose all your money. If it goes lower than it is now, you can use the stop order. But on a normal day, as long as the market is open, as you can see here, what you want to do is just use the sell now option. So I'm going to refresh again. As you can see, it's 130%, right? I have 10 shares. And total everything now is $92, right? So if I'm selling half, it means I have to sell half of $92, right? So I'm going to click on sell now, and then pretty much instead of clicking on sell all, which will be again $92, of course Bamboo will take their what's it called, commission. I want to sell half, so instead of 92, I'm going to do 45, because half of is around 1991, so 45 or 46 maybe. Then review, and then I'm going to click on sell. Of course Bamboo will take their commission as usual. I'm going to click on place order now. Now it's sending order, then it says sale successful, and that's it. So if I go back to that stock now, you're gonna see this as well. So I'm back to the stock now. Let's go back to ownership. You see I have 44 left, and I'm still up, right? But this is basically my current value because I sold half. So when I tell you to take profit from a trade or from a stock, this is what I mean. Sell half so that you can take the initial capital you invested and leave the rest in the market. So if it goes up now by maybe $200 or $300, that's good. If it goes lower, also fine, but I already took my profit and I'm not going to cry if anything happens to this stock again. But I'm hoping it's going to keep going up, right? Because I know this stock, I've done my research on it and everything before investing. So that's how you take profit. I can't give you recommendation on what stock to invest in unless you're in my private community where I give those kind of recommendation. But in public, I'm not a stock advisor or a stock analyst or a financial advisor, so I can't tell you what company to invest in. If you're new to Bamboo and you're just registering for the first time, please don't forget to use my code to register on Bamboo. I'm going to put it here on screen. If you have questions, other questions, of course, feel free to ask me and I'll be here to answer your questions.